Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Kuse AI. In order to do so, here we are at Kuse.ai, and what is Kuse all about? Well, it is the AI OS, the AI workspace built around your content. So let's just take a look here at the homepage. You can book a demo by clicking there. Based on your own data, massive file uploads. Bring all your documents, slides, spreadsheets, and images into one place. Smart integrations. Connect with your favorite tools and databases to stay synced and always current. Kuse understands your data and turns it into a living, searching knowledge base, and work purely from your own materials when accuracy matters most. Very cool. Create and edit in every format. So we've got AI notes, AI docs, slides, magic pen, images, website builders, and formatting. Collaborative workspace that evolves. Human AI human collaborate effortlessly, share and co-create in one intelligent workspace. Your AI memory grows and updates with every change from you or your team. Every creation feeds the next, making your workspace smarter and more connected over time. Turn messy notes and long lectures into clear outlines, mind maps, and summaries across all formats. Turn ideas into campaigns and design assets with visual analytics and creative automation. Transform financial data into dashboards, client-ready decks, storylines, and advisory briefs. Facilitate turning ideas into actionable assets with visualizations, interactive prototypes, and roadmap decks. Optimize merchandising, CRM, and omni-channel performance with conversational analytics. And we can click up here to try now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So we have the free version, which comes with 0 extra credits, basic AI models, 32 megabytes of file upload limit, and 100 megabytes library storage. So fairly light on that. It is for light tasks, it does say. And then we have the standard. Here we're looking at 19.9 a month, 20 bucks, 18,000 extra credits, advanced AI models, 50 megabyte file upload limit, and 5 gigabyte library storage. And there might be a discount here for you too. We've got the Pro for $99.9. So that's their 99,000 extra credits. And if you're looking for the Team Enterprise subscription, then you can book a demo and you can contact Kuse for details. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. We're building something special there. If you're into storytelling and AI animation, small community that's starting to grow, head on over there. We'd love to have you. Check out our promotions and recommendations there in the link tree. If you click on any of those, you will be helping us out and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.